Want to sync external audio with your video in CapCut for PC? Maybe your camera's built-in audio isn't the best and you recorded better sound using an external mic. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to line up both tracks in just a few steps. Start by opening a new project in CapCut. Once you're in, import both your video file and your external audio recording. Now, drag both files onto the timeline. You'll see the video clip, which includes the original audio and the external audio track, which you want to sync. Now I'm going to click on the video clip, go to the audio tab, and lower the volume. This way, the original audio won't clash with the external recording and it won't hurt your ears if it's too loud. Next, I'll do the same for the external audio. I'll click on the external audio track, go to the audio tab, and lower the volume slightly so it sounds more balanced when we play everything back. You can adjust it later depending on how loud or quiet the recording is. Now it's time to sync. Highlight both the video and the external audio by clicking and dragging across both tracks. Then, right-click and select Sync Video to Sound. CapCut will automatically match the waveforms and align the audio correctly with the video. Once it's done syncing, you'll have your high-quality audio perfectly timed with your visuals. If you want, you can delete or mute the original audio completely by selecting the video again, going back to the audio tab, and pulling the volume down to 0. Now hit play to check your sync. You should see the video and hear your external audio playing in perfect alignment. And that's how you sync audio to video in CapCut for PC. If you found this helpful, like the video for more quick editing tips. If you have questions, just leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial.